blacked out Jeep Wrangler here. Welcome back to another vlog. It's freezing rain, crazy ice. Show you what's going on in front, but we're going to Jeep meet. We are going to a grand opening at GTA Jeeps in Brampton. We got like 4 Jeeps that are meeting us up right over here, and then we're going to go together in the convoy. This is going to be a lot of fun. I'm going to turn the camera around. I see some guys doing donuts already. All right, I see some Jeeps. There we go, there we go. Awesome. Cool. All right, so we got the crew right over here. There we are. What's up? So, yep, we're ready to hit the roads. Just fill up some gas and head down to Brampton. Should be a lot of fun. All right. All right, guys, we just made it over to GTA Jeeps. We got the awesome Jeeps lined up, starting with the blacked out Jeep Wrangler, going on over to Neo's. All right, guys, there's already a lot of things happening inside. A lot of people have already made it out in this crazy weather that we have up here in the north. So let's go take a look inside. All right, guys, so we got the winners of the NV headlights over here at the store today. And so a big congratulations to both of you guys.
Thank you.
Amazing headlights. I'm sure you guys are pretty excited.
Yes, very.
Yeah, to get these on. So enjoy the lights, and for you guys out there that are interested in taking a look at these lights, you can go on nvoffroad.com and take a look at these lights, and they're by NV again. So congrats again and enjoy them.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
All right.
Thank you.
Anytime, anytime. We're gonna take a look at the rest of the show and see what else is in store. All right, guys, I got the BAJA team, the BAJA Association from Brampton over here, and they're gonna talk about their annual Jeep meet that they host. I was there last year, if you guys recall. They had that Jeep crushing event and all these amazing stuff. So they're gonna talk about it. I'm definitely gonna be there. I'll throw the camera over to you guys.
So, BAJA Jeep event, June 2nd from I think 10 to 4.
Okay.
We have a car crush, we have vendors in support of Victim Services of Peel.
Okay.
All the donations go to them.
Okay.
So many vendors coming out, including GTA Jeeps, Blackout Jeep Wrangler will be there.
Exactly.
Just Jeeps, 4-wheel parts, etc. So yeah, hopefully the weather's nice like last year, and car crash. There's going to be a barbecue there.
Okay.
RTI ramp.
Prizes to be given out.
Prizes, giveaways. So
Fantastic. All right, guys. And the date again is?
June 2nd.
June 2nd, and from
10 to 4.
10 to 4. All right, guys, if you guys are local, if you guys are not local, please do make it out. This is going to be a lot of fun. We're all going to be there.
It's at Brampton Chrysler, Vancouver and Blueberry.
Perfect. Thank you. Pleasure seeing you guys.
Thank
you. Thanks. All right, take care. All right, guys, we're going to take a walk around and see what else is going on over here today. It looks like it's business as usual at GTA Jeeps. How's it going? Good, good, good. So what did you end up picking up today?
I buy the wood,
Uh-huh.
the grill,
Oh, nice.
lights.
Fantastic,
Yeah.
fantastic. Look at that, eh? So I'm sure you're pretty glad that you made it out today.
Oh yeah.
That's good, that's good. Awesome.
Everything's there.
Fantastic.
Everybody enjoy the new park.
All right, take care, huh? See ya. All right, guys, I gotta say one thing. I'm proud to be Canadian and a hardcore one. In this weather, all of these Jeeps, it's fantastic. It's fantastic, honestly. The snow, the ice, doesn't stop us. It just doesn't. Alright guys, so I'm not the only special guest here today. We got True North Auto Salon in the house as well. He has some amazing stuff to show you guys here today. So your business is primarily vinyl wrapping cars. So not just Jeeps. If you guys are out there watching this channel and you guys have other cars and you guys are local, you're the man for all types.
A lot of Jeeps.
So he's brought some samples and I was like wowed by it. So I'm going to show those to you. Your social media
Yep, so
links.
we're on Instagram, Facebook at True North Auto Salon. Our website is www.truenorthautosalon.com.
Sick.
Straightforward, right?
Yep, I'm going to have the description below as
yeah,
well for you guys.
definitely.
So let's take a look. Awesome. Well, I appreciate that. Thanks for taking out the time to show us these pallets.
Appreciate it, yeah.
Anytime. And guys, if you are local, do check him out. Amazing work. I've seen your stuff on Instagram. I gotta say it's amazing. So yeah, I really appreciate it. And we'll continue on with the show over here. All right, guys. Well, this was a wrap. This is fantastic. Huh? The turnout.
Not bad with the crummy weather we had.
I know.
Pretty
Just,
alright.
It just shows you what true Jeepers are all about.
That's right, yeah.
Snow, ice, it just doesn't stop you.
Exactly. There's no excuse if you got a Jeep.
Exactly.
You gotta come out, so.
Exactly. I see someone doing donuts in front of us there too. But yeah, it's a lot of fun, and I'm really glad that this was a fantastic turnout. For the guys that are watching this that made it out to this event, I'm glad you guys did, and for the guys that couldn't make it out to the event, there's always next time, and I'm gonna have all your details below the video as well, so you guys can check his store out. It's here in Brampton, Ontario, at 8 Research Road, GTA Jeeps.
GTA Jeeps, yep.
Sounds good. All
Awesome,
right,
man.
definitely. Well, thanks for hosting this great event.
Yeah, no, thanks for coming out, man.
Anytime, brother, anytime. All right, guys, we'll see you in the next video. Remember, Jeep, just empty every pocket. We'll see you guys soon. Take care.